Budgeting is an essential skill for young professionals. Let's break it down into simple, actionable steps that you can start using today. First things first, why should you budget? Budgeting helps you track your income and expenses, prioritize your spending, and save for your future goals. It's all about making your money work for you. Creating a budget involves several steps. Start by listing all sources of income. For example, if you earn $3,000 a month from your job and make an extra $500 from a side hustle, your total monthly income is $3,500. Secondly, list your expenses. Write down your monthly expenses and include fixed costs like rent, $1,200, and utilities, $200, and variable expenses like groceries, $300, and entertainment, $150. Lastly, categorize your spending. Group your expenses into 3 categories: needs, wants, and savings. For instance, rent and groceries are needs, while dining out and shopping are wants. To set up your budget, use tools like spreadsheets or budgeting apps. Now that you have your income and expenses, it's time to set up your budget. Here's a popular method, the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs. In our example, that's $1,750. Dedicate 30% to wants, $1,050 in this case, and finally, set aside 20% for savings, which amounts to $700. This could go towards an emergency fund, retirement account, or a vacation. Regularly update your budget to reflect changes in income or expenses, ensuring it remains relevant and effective. Let's put this into practice. Suppose you're a graphic designer making $3,500 a month. You track your expenses and find you're spending too much on dining out, $300 instead of the $150 budgeted. Here are some tips to help you stick to your budget. First, you can use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB that can help you track your spending in real time. You may also want to review monthly. At the end of each month, review your budget. Did you stick to it? Make adjustments as needed. Lastly, set financial goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation or paying off debt, having clear goals can motivate you to stick to your budget.